की खट्टी मीठी चटनी।
Half cup tamarind. Half cup gujatari. Salt as per taste. Half tsp of red chili powder. Half tsp of chili flakes. Half tsp of zira cumin powder. Half tsp of dry mango powder. Half tsp of chaat masala. Take a bowl and add tamarind. Add 1 cup of hot water. Cover and soak for half an hour. Strain soaked tamarind. Press and remove pulp. Add some more water and press. Tamarind water is ready. Transfer tamarind water in an utensil. Add jaggery and turn on flame. Mix and cook on medium flame. Add little water. Stir continuously. Add salt. Add red chili powder. Add zira powder. Add chili flakes. Add dry mango powder. Mix well. Add chaat masala. Stir continuously and cook well. Cook on medium flame for about 20 minutes. When it starts thickening, turn off flame. Imli ki chutney is ready. Chutney is of perfect thickness. Transfer chutney in a bowl. Imli ki khati methi chutney is ready to serve with chat snacks. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.